Hello everyone, today take you to see a large vertical machining center, VMC1580.
Standard configuration, GSK system, high-strength, high-quality cast iron, HT3000, long span-by base, and vertical clamp structure. Taiwan precision high-end linear screw bearing using SKF or notching bearing, coupling RW director connected. Taiwan high-speed roller having linear gauge reel. Precision accuracy can reach μm class. Taiwan 6000 spindle. Taiwan spindle 2 clamp cylinder. Taiwan 24-arm magazine. Double arm clamping to make a faster exchange. Connector safety electrical components and quick plug. Industrial electric cabinet air conditioner. Herge automatic centralized lubrication device. Air storage tank to ensure the stability of spindle tool change. High-pressure air guns and high-pressure water guns. Powerful chip pushing. Each machine passed Renshaw laser interferometer testing and bobber testing.
If you are interested, please contact us.